That's something you don't see every morning, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Bears.
The Bears who?
The Bears escaped Thorpe Park Shark Cabins review. Let's go! Right, guys, so we're in. Yeah, so we come very late last night, don't we?
We did. We come very late. But if you come out of hours, there is a nice orange gate just at the normal gates as you get in. If you press the buzzer, they'll let you in.
Nice and easy. We've recorded a few bits, so hopefully you'll see those guys.
Yeah.
See those guys. Yeah, it's been a long day already, and it's a long week. Yeah, so let's show you what's about. First of all, this lovely comfy bed.
Yeah, it is. Sorry, my bag's in the way.
It's okay.
It's so comfy though. Like really comfy. I had such a good night's sleep.
Yeah, really needed after a long day in the park, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I do really like this picture.
Me too.
And the colour changing lights, that's really cool. I was just going to knock the lights off there. Look at that.
Oh.
Look at it. And it changes blue, green and red.
Yeah, really nice.
Really nice. You've got little reading lights as well.
Yeah.
Really good.
Really good.
And there, the second beds.
Yeah. So,
the bunk beds. We just slid that along for ease, but you can just pull that off and it goes there.
It goes there.
Just slots on nice and easy.
Yeah, if you're under 6, you can't go on this bed.
No, you can't.
No.
No.
And then
But if we are over 6, aren't we?
We are.
So we'll see in a sec. But yeah, just 2 bunk beds, sorry. Words are hard, guys, words are hard. 2 bunk beds there.
But you've got storage under there for any suitcases.
Yeah, and under the main bed as well.
And then you've got these storage, you've got 3 drawers, and you've got places where you can put your shoes in that with the bin. You've got spare towel and toilet paper. Loads of coffee making facilities.
Yeah, even got hot chocolate. You do get water as well, and if you do need more water,
just ask reception.
There you go, nice and easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we will show you these guys really quickly.
Yeah.
You don't get a park map, we just pick that up from reception, but just handy to know you can get one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get your ticket for your parking, so you can scan that. But if you do go out and then come back in, you can ask reception for another one.
Yeah, nice and easy.
Absolutely fine. And then this is the little
it's kind of like your information, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it tells you everything you need to know. So you've got your stay, your park hours, fast track hours, because you do get fast track included, but it varies, doesn't it?
It does.
And we didn't know that. We thought it might be just the 2 hours.
Yeah.
But we've learned something, haven't we?
We have. So we get unlimited fast track today because the park was closed yesterday. So if you stay on a night where the park was closed the day before, you get unlimited. Any other time you get 2 hours.
Yeah, so instantly makes it worth it. Either, to be honest, doesn't it?
100%. Considering how pricey fast track is.
Yeah, definitely worth it. Yeah, it tells you a bit more there. It tells you about your breakfast. You can book that, or you can just turn up and go down.
Yeah.
Nice and easy. We've had our breakfast, haven't we? It's very nice.
Yeah, very nice. All you can eat, and there's all sorts of cereal. You've got full English. You've got pastries as well. You've got teas, coffees, orange juices, apple juice, everything.
Yeah, we'll show you about that, guys, as well.
Yeah.
And you've got your breakfast there, haven't you? Yeah, got your lattes there. Yeah, it's really nice, isn't it? It's all buffet, isn't it? Just there. Really good. I've already tucked in, guys. I couldn't wait. Hungry this morning, aren't we? Yeah. Some of your choices, guys. Got your cereals, some fruits in there. You get some hash browns, your bacons, your sausages. Sausages very nice. Do Marmite. Black pudding. Not a fan of that, but if that's what you like. Your eggs, your beans, your mushrooms, tomatoes, all your standard stuff. It's just a picture back there. And there's some croissant and pastries back there. Really good stuff. We've gone for round 2. Croissants.
Yeah, and a little pan of chocolate.
And an orange juice.
Yeah.
And they do Marmite, guys, but you know.
Love Marmite.
I was a big Marmite fan.
Yeah, you don't like it though.
No. Love it or hate it.
Yeah.
And then you got your, if there's any events on or anything like that, I'll show you what's there. And it's got today and your tomorrow.
Yeah.
Your free Wi-Fi, nice and easy. It's the cloud. Most places use the cloud now.
Yeah.
It's really good. It worked for us, didn't it?
Did.
Aircon, how you work that, and then there you go, a bit more information about the out of hours, getting in and out. But it's nice and easy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very easy.
And we'll just say you get a lovely hot chocolate there.
Yeah.
I've had one of them last night, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
Yeah, it was well needed, wasn't it? It was.
We're going into the bathroom.
Yeah, sorry, we both had a quick shower, haven't we? So it's a little bit steamy.
It's like a wet room.
Yeah, it's really, it tastes like a wet room, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
You get it's like a waterfall shower.
So
head, which is
show
nice.
that there, nice waterfall shower head.
They're my favourite, they
Yeah,
are.
and you just spin that to the left there, nice and easy.
Yeah.
You got this lovely big mirror, which you can finally see us on. Hey, you do get shower gel.
Yeah.
And shampoo and conditioner there, and a bit of bar of soap.
Yeah. You get a spare toilet roll over there.
You get one
do
there.
get them, and all
And
your towels
up
and things there. And I assume if you need any more, just ask reception. They're really good. They'll give you anything you need.
Reception were brilliant last night, weren't they?
Fantastic.
We rocked up about 11 o'clock at night,
Yeah.
and they were all ready there waiting for us. Everything spot on.
Yeah, the one thing that I will advise is they do a bag search, so don't be worried if they say, oh, by the way, we're just going to check your bags. It's just standard procedure.
Standard procedure, yeah. Yeah. That's all it is, isn't it? Just safety.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the big kid, Jake, he had to try out the bed.
I'm over 6, so
Yeah.
I think I'm allowed.
Is
Very comfy.
have you got enough space?
Yeah, I mean, I would suggest not to get up too quickly.
Yeah.
But bar that, yeah, it's absolutely fine. There's a lot of reading lights up here as well.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, perfect, to be honest. You can fit 4 people in this room quite comfortably.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, that's pretty much most of everything, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's me.
I definitely recommend it. It cost us £55 for the night. We get obviously all day fast track and we get breakfast. I do think it's an absolute bargain. I was a little bit worried at first just because I have heard some people saying, oh, they're really basic, but no, it's absolutely spot on. You don't need anything else.
No, I mean, yeah, it is basic, but it's not like you haven't got anything. It's got all the amenities you'd have in a hotel room. You've got a TV, shower. Yeah. You've got your shower jars, coffee maker facilities, plenty of storage. For how small it is, you've got plenty of storage as well, and it's all out the way. Yeah. Yeah, so really good. And just on that point as well, the fast track alone would have cost us almost 3 times as much as stopping here.
Yeah, exactly. So
yeah, make the most of it, guys. Yeah. Why not? Let me just show you this really quickly. So if you are stopping here a couple of nights, you want to spin that round, Av? Yeah. So we are going to be out there riding stealth-ish. I wish I was counting sharks rather than being on the top of that top hill. Oh, wow. Top hat even, sorry. Oh, it'll be fun though, won't it?
It will.
Yeah, so that's pretty much all the room, isn't it?
Yeah.
Your reception, guys, if you need just on the way into the shark cabins, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a little shopping side as well if you do want to buy anything.
Yeah, it's like chocolates and crisps and drinks and things, just your basic stuff, but if you need it, it's there. Yeah. Yeah. That's our stay in the shark cabins done, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's been really good, hasn't it?
It has, I'd highly recommend.
Yeah, it's definitely worth the money, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you want to see some more Thorpe Park videos, watch this one over here.